Yes, Mr. Sarthak. How should I do A part?
Yes, sir. So, we'll find out the prime factors of 36 first. So we can divide it by 2, then again by 2, and then we can do it by 3 and 3. So then it will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So we can take 1, 2, and 1, 3. So 2 into 3. So the answer will be 6.
Okay, correct. How should I do this question?
First, we'll find the prime factors of 169. So we can divide it by 3 first.
Okay. Will it get divided by 3?
What, sir?
Will it get divided by 3? Will you be able to divide this number by 3?
No, sir.
Yeah, the sum of the numbers is 1 plus 6 plus 9. So the sum of the numbers is 16. This is not divisible by 3. So this number won't be divisible by 3. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is not divisible by 3, not by 5, not by 7, not by 11. This is divisible by 13. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So 169, root of 169 can be written as root of 13 into 13. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So the answer would be 13. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So we'll have to try 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Usually you'll be able to do most of the questions here. It's only very few difficult questions that will go till here. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
And then you have to remember the tests. The tests of 2, 3, 5 are pretty simple enough. So 2, all even, 3, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 5, any number ending with 5 or 0 would be divisible. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So how should I do this? 289.
So we'll find the prime factors of 289. So I wasn't able to do this.
See, that is what I am saying. So you'll have to go further. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are not divisible. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So there would be times when you will have to go further. So for example, let us try 70. There would be time when you will have to go further. Yeah. Not 17 into 119. So what should I multiply 17 to get 119? Sarthak, you can look at 17 and 9. So one estimate that you can have is that 7 into 7 is 49. So there is a probability that 17 into 7 can be 119. Have you understood the logic?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood what I have done? Mr. Sarthak, have you understood what I have done?
No, sir.
I'm sorry?
No, sir, I didn't understand this.
So what did you didn't understand?
So, like, why did you divide 17 and 289?
Okay. See, I want to find the square root of 289. Yeah. Now I want to find a prime number as is expected. You tried these numbers. So this was not divisible. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm trying to tell you is there would be times when you'll have to go further. So the next prime number is 70. Have you understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Now I take 289, I try to divide it by 17. So 17 1 the 70, this is simple. Now I want to check whether 119 is divisible by 17 or not. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now I know the table of 7 and I know that 7 into 7 is 49. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So there is a probability that when this 7 gets multiplied by 7, the number it ends with is a 9. Sarthak, one second. So what I'm trying to do is multiply 17 by 7. 7 7 are 49 and this would be 119. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
So my suspicion is confirmed that yes, 17 into 7 is a number which ends with 9. And then I multiply with here, and what I understand is that root 289 is actually 17 into 70. Any doubt?
No,
Sarthak,
sir.
yeah?
No, sir.
So I'll repeat. See, most of your questions would be divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Usually most of the, when you are finding the square roots, most of the number would be divisible till here. But if you don't find a prime number, then you'll have to go for 13, 17, 19, 23. You'll have to do that. And if the question is really tough, then you actually might have a prime number. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us do this question. 196. How should I start?
So first we'll find the prime factors of 196.
So what shall
So
we?
it'll be 2. Then it'll become 98. So then again 2, so 49. Then we can do it by 7. So it'll be 7 and again by 7, so 1. So it'll be 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So we'll take 1 from both. So 2 into 7 is 14.
Any doubt? Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
121. How should I find this?
First we'll find the prime factors of 121. So it can be 11. Then we can again do it by 11. So it will become 1. So we can take only 111. So answer is 11.
Have you understood? Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
What will be square root of 0?
So 0,
What will be square root of 1?
1.
1. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So as you start practicing, what is always advisable is that you should remember this, all square roots from 1 to 20, 25. You should cram these square roots. So these square roots help in a lot of competitions also. How should I do this?
Yes, I didn't understand the first one. So first to add it or find this.
Yeah. You can add.
Okay, sir. So it's 100. So then we have to find the factors. So it'll be 10. Then we do it by 10 again. So the square root is 10.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So whenever you are finding square roots of number like these, they are pretty simple. See, they are very simple because you can automatically see the pairs of zeros. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So I can see this. I can see this pair. I can see this pair. So for each pair, I will have 1 0 coming out. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
For each pair, I'll have 1 0 coming out. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. How should I do this?
First we'll find the square root of 36.
Okay.
So, so the square root of 36 is 6.
Okay.
And then we'll add it with the square root of 49, which is 7.
Great. How should I do this?
The square root of 121 is 11. And then square root of 49 is 7. So we'll add both of them. So we'll get 18.
How should I do this?
First we'll subtract 245 and 101. So it will be 144. It will be 12.
Shabash. Shabash. Very nice. How should I do this? Last one.
First we'll do the square root of 4, so it'll be 2. And then the square root of 1 to 1, so it'll be 11. The answer will be minus 9.
Shabash. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. How should I do this?
For the square root of 49 is 7, so it will be 7 into 7. So the answer is 49.
How should I do this?
So I didn't understand this.
See, this is root 16 square. So you'll have to solve this first. What would be the answer?
4. So it will be 4 raised to power 2.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
How should I do this? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
How should I do this?
The square root of 9 will be 3, and then the square root of 49 will be 7. So our answer is 21.
How should I do this?
The square root of 100 is 10, and the square root of 4 is 2. So it will be 5.
Very nice. How should I do this?
First we'll figure out the 100 square root. So it will be 10. So 10 into 10. So it will be 10 into 10. So 100.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
How should I do this?
So first we'll do it. First we'll divide 90 by 3. So it will be 30. And then we'll again do by 3. So it will be 10. So and then it will be 10. So we can straight do it by 10 also.
Yeah, you can do that. No problem.
So it will be 3 into 2 into 5. So
Yeah.
So I actually forgot how to do this part.
No, that is okay. But what should I do next? Can you tell it now?
So there will be only 1, 3, and then 2 into 5 will still remain in the.
Yes. Yes. Correct. So only 1, 3 will come out, and 2 and 5 will remain under the square root. Any doubt regarding this?
No, sir.
Yeah. Sorry. So how should I do root 48?
Yes, sir. So first we will do it with 6. So it will be 8, and then we'll do it with 8. So it will, both of them will remain under the umbrella. So 40. It will remain 48.
See, if you have understood the process, these will make a group, these will make a group. But 2 and 2 will come out and 3 will remain outside. So the answer would be 4 root 3. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So when you are taking the square roots, when you are taking the prime factorization, only then you can observe that there's a pair. So the pair, out of the pair, one number will come out. And the number which is without a pair will remain under the umbrella. Any doubt?
No, sir.
And finally, that is what I'm trying to tell you. That 79 and 103, they are prime numbers. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So when you try to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So these would be the prime numbers. So Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.